Hey guys, it's Haley here, and it's Noah's first time riding his bike, and he's gonna ride to the gray car and back. So, hope you like it, and
Car.
be careful, there's a car.
Careful, Noah. Too close. Here it goes. Zoom in here.
Want me to hold the camera?
That's okay. I'll zoom in on them. Are you looking for cars? You ran me over. That's fine.
Okay. And that's my first time riding my bike without training wheels. I hope you like it. And remember, always look for cars and wear a helmet. Because